Welcome to MathZip, Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Core and Extended. We are starting episode 2 of number. Today we will discuss about factor, which is exercise 1.2. Our first question, what is factor? First, what is factor? A factor is a number that divides another number exactly without leaving a remainder. Or we can say, if you multiply two whole numbers and get another number, then those two numbers are factors of the result. In this video we are going to find out the factors of following numbers. So let's try step by step. Number A, 6. So this 6 has different types of factors. So like we can say 1 times 6 is a 6, right? Here is mentioned, if you multiply two whole numbers and get another number, then those two numbers are factors of the result. So 1 times 6 is a 6. And also look, a factor is a number that divides another number exactly. So 6 you can divide by 1, also 6 you can divide by 6. And another thing, 2 times 3 is also factor of 6, because you can divide 6 by 2 and also divide by 3. So this is exactly the factors of 6. So we can say the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Number B, 9. So 9 also similar thing. First 1 times 9, then 3 times 3. Everything we can divide by 9, and also this pair once we multiply we will get 9. So the factors of 9 are 1, 3, we take 1, 3, here is 2, 3, but we take 1, 3 and 9. Okay, then 7 has only two factors, which is 1 and itself. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Number D, here is 15. So 15 we get several factors, like 1 times 15 itself, then 3 times 5, right? So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Just we can do list to high. Okay, then 24. Number D, 24. So 24, 1 times 24, then 2 times 12, then 3 times what? 3 times 8 is 24. Then we can get more thing, like 4 times 6, 5 is not possible, 6 already done, 7, then 8. So the factors are like this. So we can say the factors of 24 are, here is what? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 12 and then 24. So you should maintain lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Okay, So not take a number randomly, just serially. So we already complete A, B, C, D, E, and we have to find out more. Number F, 36. So 36 first 1 times itself, it means 36. Then 2 times 18 times 2 is a 36. Then 3 times 12 is a 36. Then 4 times 9 is a 36, right? 5 is not possible. 6 times 6 is a 36. 7, 8 is not possible. 9 already done. Then 10, 11, 12. So everything is done. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we can say the factors of 36 are. So we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay. Now number G, 35. Similar thing. So first 1 times 35, then 2 is not possible, 3 is also not possible, 4 not possible, 5 can do. 5 times 7 is a 35. So I think you will not get anything. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is not possible. So the factor of 35 are what? 1, 5, 7 and 35. Okay. So number G, then number H. So G done. H, 25. 25. So 1 times 25, then 5 times 5 is a 25. So this is exactly the factors of 25, which is 1, 5 and 25. So H done. Number I, 42. So 42 we can make another page. So number I, 42. So first 1 times 42, then 2 times 21, then 3 times what? 3 times 14, right? 3 times 14 can possible to make. 3 times 4 is a 2 and 3 and 4. So then 4 is not possible, 5 not possible, 6 possible, because 6 times 7 is a 42. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 already done. So this is exactly the factor of 42. So we can write the factor of 42 are. So which is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. And today's final question, 100. So 100 we can make 1 times 100, right? Then 2 times 50, then 3 is not possible, 4 can possible, 4 times 25, 6 not possible, 5 can possible. 5 times 20, right? Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 possible. 10 times 10 is 100. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 already done. So this is more. This is the factors of 100. So we can write the factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, then 10, 20, 25, 50, and finally 100. So that's it. We are trying to find out the factors of following numbers, which is very important to know about what is factor, and this video is very important for any kinds of competitive examination, especially IGCSE. So this is a short question, but you have to know this one. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel, which is MathZip, and I hope by this channel you will get lots of things based on math, and also you will learn lots of things, especially geometry, exponent, and factorization. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.